Dushank, you have cough?
Yes.
So what are you going to tell us today?
How Vicks लावायचा आपल्याला.
Okay. So show us.
This is a Vicks.
Okay.
This lid open
Okay.
and small.
Take small amount on fingers.
Take small about
On fingers.
on fingers
And apply to your temple.
and apply to the temple.
Okay.
Okay.
And
And to the nose
like this. Okay.
like this. Okay. And
To the throat.
and to the throat
And then rub on your chest.
and rub on the chest.
Apply it everywhere. Yeah. Now on the chest.
On the chest.
Rub it on the chest inside. Rub it very good. And then you have to sleep and take a blanket.
Then you ask. Then you
Go to sleep
Go to sleep
and cover your face
and cover your face
with blanket.
with blanket.
Thank you for watching video.
Thank you for watching video. Bye.
Please like. Come.
Please like and subscribe
Please.
and share.
Please like,
Please like and
share
share
and
subscribe.
subscribe.